I gotta apologize. I don't know if I took update pictures last time. Oops. Okay, it is Project 50 Pan update time. Now again, just so you know, this is completely inspired and taken from Rebecca, Morgan, and Alexi here on YouTube, and I always link them above and down below so that you guys can easily find them, because I'm not going to take credit for this brilliant idea. But they had, so it's the Roulette Project Pan Collab is what they call it, and they do theirs in rounds, and I have been, oh, it's official as of tomorrow, April 1st, that I have been doing this project for a year with their 50 original categories that they had. They have since, like within this past round, added I think 100 more. So now there's 150 categories if you're interested in joining in on this. But I'm just working off the original 50, and as soon as I am done with them, like I'm going to count this as completed, and it will feel just like such an accomplishment. When I started this a year ago, I did not think that I would be sitting here a year later telling y'all that we're still going, and we have 23 categories left to complete. So without any further ado, let's just get into it, right? So I'm just gonna start with how I have them written down, like on my paper. So if I'm like looking down, that's why. But the first one is category 39, a colorful eyeliner. And now I did not have a colorful eyeliner, so I picked my Essence Extreme Lasting eyeliner in the shade 06 Silky Nude. And it's just like a peachy kind of white colored eyeliner. And I use it every day in my waterline. I think that it helps make my eyes look more awake. So the goal is to use about half of the eyeliner. So we need to get down to like this black Sharpie line. So we're getting there. It's going to be slow and steady progress. Like I knew this would be a long haul item, but I'm happy to be making the progress on it. So here's our little tallies. You can see we pulled this in all the way back in like the November update of like 2019. And so we have used up quite a good bit of this eyeliner. So here is this update line today on March 31st. And then here's that Sharpie line. So we still have like a long way to go. It looks like a lot, like it looks like longer on the paper than it does if you just look at the liner. So, but yeah, really happy. Keep working on it. We'll keep trucking on it. Not mad at it. Okay, category 28, a product you would not repurchase. This Drunk Elephant d.bronzi serum. And y'all, if you've been following along, you know that I hate this. You know that I've struggled with it to make it work and everything like that, and I'm so happy to tell you guys it's done. So what I had done, I promise I am like smart and like educated. I just can't speak English. So what I did was I took them and I mixed the d.bronzi serum with this Ulta Beauty hydrating face primer, because this stuff broke me out, but I was like halfway through with this and I just wanted to use it up. So I mixed the two of these plus with an unscented body lotion and made like a shimmery kind of body lotion, and it's done. And I know I could probably scrape out and get like a little bit more use out of here, but I'm not. I have fooled and struggled with this product, and to me it's done. It has lived out its life. It has caused me enough pain and agony. I'm done, and I'm happy to say that I won, that I beat it. And I don't agree with like hate panning items, but like that was one that I hate panned. So happy that we get to roll that one out and pick a new number at the end of this. Let me show you the other 4 items that are staying in that we are going to continue working on. So the next one was category 4, a drugstore product, and I picked the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzer, and this bronzer is huge, y'all. It has 15 grams of product. So our goal is to finish it. I think I already had pan on it the last time you guys saw it, but we have definitely expanded that pan. Now this down here is not like organic pan. I had repressed this bronzer prior to bringing it into this project, and so that's just from like where it didn't fill the pan completely in the repressing. But all of that in the center is like authentic pan. And I think it's funny, like I hold it this way when I apply my makeup, and so like you can tell like the pan is going downward. So I don't have any plans on repressing this as of now. Like, I'm not having a hard time picking it up on my brush. So I'm just going to keep chucking along at it and hopefully finish it off. I don't think by next month, but here in the next like 2 updates, I would love to have this one gone. Next is category 49, something special to you. So I had the Lorac Pro 3 palette because my husband got this for me, so that's why it's special to me. And I wanted to hit pan on 3 shades. So we had already hit pan on pink nude and light pewter, and we were only working on light gold to like finish off this palette. And I have to say, you guys, I forgot that this was in the project, so I didn't even write down that I used it. I'm not sure. Maybe I used it once or twice, but that's it. It's either 0 or once or twice. So there is absolutely nothing real to show you on this shade light gold here. It is really pretty. I need to just remember it because Lorac shadows are very soft. Like, they're not hard to hit pan on. And I really think if I would just concentrate most of this next month on this shade, that I could have pan on it and finally like roll this palette out. And it would make me really happy too, because then that would be 4 pans in total that are already in this palette, and it just makes it look really loved. So, but he is staying in for right now. We still got 1 more shade. Then we had category number 1, something with cute packaging. So I picked out this blush from ColourPop. It's from their Peach collection. It's really cute, but look, like it's all rubbing off, which I just think is kind of funny. I'm not like mad at it. I don't really care. But I just thought it was funny, like from just like this past like month of using it, that it's starting to get like wear and tear on it. But anyway, it's in the shade Frisky Business, which just gotta love that name, right? So my goal is to hit pan on this, and I don't know if you can tell, but in person, I can already see a dip forming on this blush. It is really pretty. I like to wear this as like my daily blush. It is perfect for this time of year. It's just like a great peachy color. Hopefully you can see that. Let me try to build it up just a little bit more for you. But it's just this really pretty like peachy color. Absolutely loving it. And yeah, it is, I will say, it's not the most densely packed blush that is in my collection. I think that's why there's already like a dip forming on here. And you know, it's a lighter color, but I don't tend to like build it up too much. And I'm just noticing now on like camera, I don't think I blended out my bronzer and blush too well, but that's okay. That's okay. Anyway, we're gonna keep working on that because the goal is to hit pan. And then the last one was category 15, a product you haven't used much. So I picked my ColourPop Supershock Highlighter in the shade Flexiterian. I own this one and one other one in the shade Smoke and Whistles. And I already have pan on Smoke and Whistles, so I have like a pretty good idea of like how long this one's gonna take. But here's what Flexiterian is looking like. I try to wear down the product evenly, and I use my finger to apply this. I do have it on today, but I also have the Mary Luminizer from the Balm on top of it, because so I'll like put this on with my finger, but then it kind of like, it looks almost like a stark line wherever you apply it. So that's why I really like to mix this with like a golden kind of highlighter. Plus it is like this really pretty like icy white kind of highlighter, and it is pretty on its own, but I really like it mixed better with like a golden highlighter rather than just wearing it on its own. So again, we will keep working on this because our goal is to hit pan. Okay, so now the fun part of rolling in a new item. So let me pull up Pretty Random because I am not prepared at all. So like I said, we only have 23 more categories left, and last time we were struggling to get new numbers. So I have actually rewritten down like the list, and I only have the 23 categories that we have left. So if you pull up the original like 50 list, this is not going to correspond with that, just so you know. But we get to draw one new number. So sorry, there's a glare on the phone, but we get category 20. So that is a hair care item. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Honestly, didn't know that was on the list, but I'll be right back with that. Okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought. I just walked into my bathroom counter and I was like, oh, well, I didn't walk into my bathroom counter. I walked into my bathroom. But I saw this sitting on my bathroom counter and I was like, perfect. So I hate to admit this to y'all, I actually have 2 more of this product that are brand new and unopened. So that was one reason why I picked this. I absolutely love this product though, which makes sense. I guess that's why I have 2 unopened in the closet and I need to stop doing that. But that's not for this video. What did we pick for a hair care item? I picked the Shea Moisture. It's like a kid's detangling shampoo. Not shampoo, leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this stuff and it smells like marshmallows. Oh, it's so good. So it's always like sold out. I can only ever find this at my local CVS and it's always sold out. So the last time I went in there, they had it buy one, get one half off and I bought 2, but I still had this one. So anyway, let me stop shaking it around. It will get stuff that like settles in the bottom, which it's supposed to, like that's just part of the product. So you do have to like shake it up before you use it. And I just shook it up and caused a bunch of bubbles. So I will like officially mark this once it settles down. But here's where the line is, but there's all this foam. So I don't know if this will like end up moving upward any, but you can tell like we probably have like maybe a 1/4 of the bottle left, maybe a third of the bottle left. I don't wash my hair that frequently and I'm not going to tell you how many times in a month I wash my hair because it's embarrassing. But after I wash my hair every time, I do put this in it. I think that it does help to condition my hair because my hair is like really dry. Like it does not produce any oil on its own really. If it does, it's just like right here in the front. So it's like I really just use dry shampoo for the smell of it. But again, I'm getting off on a tangent. I use this in my hair after every time that I wash it. I love the smell of it. I really think it does a good job of like detangling my hair. So this is perfect to like bring in and focus in on, and I will finish this off. I don't know if it'll be gone by the next month, but we'll see how much progress we can make on it. Maybe having it like in this project will encourage me to actually wash my hair more. So that's enough embarrassing things about me and my hygiene. I do take a shower daily though. I'm just gonna put that out there. So before I divulge any more embarrassing secrets, I hope you guys are having a good day or a good night or good whatever. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.